We picked only the best 5 humidifiers for baby. By comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get Number 5. Raydrop Cool Mist Humidifier for Babies. The Raydrop Cool Mist Humidifier is a great, simple humidifier that's great for babies. The standout space-saving vertical design makes this humidifier easy to set up virtually anywhere without a clunky, oversized base. The super quiet operation ensures full coverage without the noise of water gurgling or excessive fan noise. The dial knob controls on this humidifier allows you to customize your level of moisturizing. It's designed to make the air more breathable and help with dry skin irritation and sinus issues that can come with cold weather or excessively dry air. This humidifier works for up to 10 hours of continuous operation, making it perfect for getting a good night's sleep. Customers found this unit to be easy to fill and clean, making it great for everyday use. The slim profile makes this easy to set up just about anywhere, which means baby's sleep won't be interrupted by its light, noise, or presence. The dial control allows for refined moisture controls, which customers love. Customers would have preferred the ability to adjust the direction of the vapor, but it certainly isn't a deal breaker by any means. Some customers found the filling system to be somewhat awkward, but most seem to find it just fine. Overall, you really can't go wrong with the Raydrop if you're looking for a humidifier on a budget. Number 4. Levoit Cool Mist Humidifier for Bedroom. The Levoit Cool Mist Humidifier for the bedroom is an excellent candidate for a humidifier for baby. This humidifier is BPA-free and safe and healthy for baby and anyone in the house. It shuts off automatically when the water level gets low. This humidifier for baby is literally quieter than a whisper at 24 decibels at the lowest setting. Even at the highest setting, it does not exceed 30 decibels. Quieter than a library. The built-in night light is optional and glows a soft, soothing blue. Alternatively, you can turn off the display lights if the brightness bothers you too much. This cool mist humidifier is able to run for 24 hours at a low setting and about 13 hours at a medium setting. Even at its highest, it still runs for about 9.6 hours. Customers love how quiet this humidifier is. The quiet this humidifier offers is perfect for any sleep environment and especially in baby's room to keep the air nice and moist while providing white noise and a soothing glow so they can fall right to sleep. This humidifier is compact and can be set up just about anywhere, whereas bigger models might be more difficult to operate due to awkward size. This humidifier fits just about anywhere. The ease of use is also a really big bonus. Some customers found this humidifier can make some bubbling noises sometimes, which is a minor complaint. The unit itself can be difficult to clean at first if one isn't used to it just yet. Number 3. Magictech 2.5L Bedroom Essential Humidifier Diffuser. The Magictech 2.5L Bedroom Essential Humidifier Diffuser is an excellent humidifier for baby. This cool mist humidifier helps baby get the most out of their sleep at night or during nap time. This humidifier easily provides a moisturized environment to heal dry skin and help irritated sinuses, as well as helping out with cold and flu symptoms. The 2.5-liter capacity tank is great for long-haul use and can work for easily up to 24 hours. The all-around nozzles ensure coverage for medium-sized bedrooms, nurseries, and other rooms and automatically directs the flow to areas where it's still a bit too dry. The humidifier operates very quietly. Less than 30 decibels. Thanks to ultrasonic technology, this humidifier shuts off automatically when water is out. Customers love the slim profile of this humidifier, making it easy to set up just about anywhere and leave room for just about anything else you need on a shared surface. This unit is easy to clean with a bottle scrubber. Customers love how well this unit covers a room and how quietly it operates. Some customers have issues with the bottom filling setup on the tank, making setting things up a bit awkward without a little practice. The light coming off this unit might be a bit too bright for some as well. Overall, the Magitech humidifier is a good, solid choice for a nursery humidifier. Number 2. Miro NR07G Humidifier. The Miro NR07G is truly the Cadillac of humidifiers. It has a sculptural look that will make it almost seem like a piece of art in your room. And its neutral color will allow it to blend seamlessly into any surrounding. Moms love this humidifier because it's so easy to clean. And when it comes to babies, cleanliness is key. The floating design comes apart easily and every surface that comes into contact with the water is easily accessible for scrubbing. This humidifier has a wide range. It can help improve the air quality of up to 600 square feet. Just make sure the unit is far away from furniture or walls, as its powerful operation can cause condensation to collect if it's too close. With 2 power settings, it can run for as long as 24 hours on the low setting and 8 hours on the high setting on a single reservoir of water. When that water runs out, the unit will automatically shut off. The good news is, it can easily be refilled without having to turn the unit off and take it apart. Water can be poured directly into the reservoir. This model does not have a light, and the indicator light is dim. Perfect for a nursery where baby prefers it to be dark. Number 1. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is great for baby. This humidifier keeps the air well moisturized for up to 16 hours continuously, making it a breeze to breathe easier and get more restful sleep. Multiple settings help you create a custom comfort level just for you. The 1.5-liter water tank makes for ideal coverage for most bedrooms, offices, or other rooms. The optional night light provides a soothing ambience when it's time to rest for the day. The unit automatically shuts off when the water level gets low or when the water tanks is removed. This humidifier comes with an adapter, cleaning brush, and 7-day-a-week customer support. This humidifier does not take up much space at all, despite its relatively small footprint. Customers love how powerful this unit is and how long it lasts on a single tank of water. This humidifier is very quiet, easily softer than a whisper, and making for a soothing, peaceful environment for sleeping, concentrating, or relaxing. This humidifier allows for multiple levels of intensity, making it much easier for you to adjust to your particular comfort level. The quiet on-off switch can sometimes make it initially difficult to see whether the unit is on or off. Some customers have found it could have used a click or sound perhaps. This humidifier sometimes makes gurgling noises, but this is a pretty common issue with a number of humidifiers. Overall, this humidifier is a great choice for baby's room. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.
Fuck her in the Benz.